what you're looking at here, folks, is about 14 foot by 2 inch by 10.5 inches. This thing weighs about 150 pounds and is a very heavy to maneuver around a house. So without further ado, we're going to haul this up and then we're going to install it. So we're putting a ladder in here. This is my parents' ugly cabin. I mean, look at it, just pure Tyvek, disgusting. See, my place at least has got a piece of siding on it. Okay, so my ingenious way of making these steps level is you take a torpedo level, and for me the rise is 10 inches. So now this is 10 inches to the bottom of the block. Okay, so you make your 10-inch mark and then you put your level on it, and then you just get it level on that mark. And you just take your block and you make it level right there, and then you put your step on top and then it's perfectly level. There you go. Alright, so I got my tabs in here and now we're going to put the step on.